I'll be my cameraman, and we are gonna go on a flight back to Houston, and I'm gonna show you my camera right here, and we're gonna go back to Houston, home, my home, his home.
True.
And this is where we're here for spring break. And
Yeah.
we just wait, I guess. So, see what crazy
Should we
things
show
happen.
them our suitcase?
No.
No.
We're gonna go upstairs.
So we're gonna show you the room we've been staying in.
Ow.
Whoa.
Hurt me.
Dang, bro.
This is our room.
This is our room.
They made it. We had a party, and they made it a mess.
Yeah. Some like kids. I have pictures too. There was like a baby here too. What was my favorite? And this is the room too. So pretty much, Grayson, you take it away since it's your video.
Alright. So we're going back downstairs. And
Dark today. Thank goodness it's yesterday, right?
what?
I almost fell.
Outside backyard.
Let's say that's for Easter.
Alright, let me go get my shoes. Alright, I got my shoes. Let's go.
Outside. We kind of have a little bit area there and a big area over there. I don't know what's in the grass right now. What is that stuff in the grass? If you can kind of see, there's birds in the grass. Little tiny birds.
And if you can see, there's pollen all over the floor. There's birds out.
And that makes me sick, so I don't know why I buy the pollen.
Birds right there. But yeah. So we're going to the airport. I know y'all might be saying down in the comments saying, that's too dangerous. Why are you even going? Your flight's going to be delayed.
You need to wait
We have to wait, but we don't board for like.
an hour.
Hold on, let me go look.
Last time it was an hour.
Hold on, let's go look at the time. It's 10:49. Why are you trying to flip the water bottle? But yeah, that's all for the video. If Kristen wants to edit here, do you want to edit here? No? Alright, what else? Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, we forgot to do a video. It was yesterday. St. Patrick's Day was yesterday, but still.
So
Say
if
happy
y'all
St.
see
Patrick's
like
Day.
skibbity dub 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 yes, skibbity dub did video, oh, let me get this straight.
The front yard looks like it's not pouring, but in the backyard it looks like it's pouring.
Oh yeah. You can see it from right here too, right? See that water going down? So pretty much
Might get delayed.
it might get delayed. So we might have to leave tomorrow.
The heck was they gonna say that?
I don't know. But, so, here's a hat from, just a record through here. We're really.
I think I need to go up a little again.
But I'm the editor, so
He's my editor and my cameraman.
I'm his editor and his
I used
cameraman.
to be his video thing, whatever it's called.
Yeah, so we're both cameramen. We're both working for each other. He's my cameraman too.
I have more subscribers than him. And
Huh,
then-
let's look at my subscribers.
Oh, if you want to look at my videos, bro. Maybe not with my.
This dude has 4 subscribers.
How about you?
And I only have like 2 videos.
And
Oh yeah,
subscribers?
I was sweet.
You should get subscribers. Why are you not getting subscribers?
Because I'm not cool enough like you, Greg. But, yeah. So I do Twitch. So if y'all want to subscribe to my Twitch, hold on, let me get into Twitch. I do Twitch streaming. I made this channel when I was like 4. I only got 1 follower. So, yeah. So I'm about to go live when we get to the airport. Grayson might go live too. What do you think?
I don't know.
Yep.
I'm just probably gonna do a part 2.
Yep. Part 2 at the airport. So, I'll see y'all there. We'll see y'all there. Yeah.
Bye.